So exercise 2.2 will learn how to find out standard deviation for the raw data of question number 2. So the data is 65, 77, 81. हम लोग कोशिश तो यही करेंगे कि हम लोग पूरे डेटा को हमेशा ही असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे. So exercise 2.2 question number 2, X, that is the data, is 65, 77, 81, 98, 100, 80, 129. Now the first thing is arrange the data in ascending order. So it is 65, 77, 80, 81, 98, 100, 129. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now the next thing that we'll do is we'll write down the formula of standard deviation. फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं हम लोग पहले तो समझ में आ जाता है क्या करना है क्या नहीं. This is one formula. Another is summation x square upon n minus bar x bracket square. अब इतने बड़े बड़े नंबर का स्क्वायर निकालना, इससे अच्छा तो मीन निकाल के आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. 65 का स्क्वायर निकालना अच्छा है, आसान है, या इसका मीन निकाल के फिर डेविएट करना आसान है. दैट वी हैव टू डिसाइड. तो मैं बोलूंगी इतना बड़ा डेटा है, 65 का स्क्वायर, 77 का स्क्वायर, तो इससे अच्छा मैं पहले मीन निकालूं. मीन तो वैसे कोई भी फॉर्मूला हो आपको निकालना ही पड़ेगा. सो बार x इज इक्वल्स टू समेशन x अपॉन n. Summation x is, you will add all this. So what is the addition of this? So summation x, that is total of x, is 630, 630 upon 7, your mean is 90. So now we can say x minus 90. So 65 minus 90 is minus 25. 77 minus 90 is minus 13, minus 10 minus 9, 8, 10, and 129 minus 90 is again 39. अब इसका स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फॉर्मूला क्या है, समेशन x माइनस बार x ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. So x minus 90 bracket square, it will be 625, 169, 100, 81, 64, 139 square, 1521. Now let us add it. 625 plus 169 plus 100 plus 81 plus 64 plus 100 plus 1521. It will be 2660. So to find out the standard deviation, it will be under root 2660 divided by 7. It is under root 380. This is your standard deviation. Under root 380 is nothing but 19 point something. 49. This is the standard deviation. हम लोग चाहे तो दूसरे फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर वहां पे 65 का स्क्वायर, 77 का स्क्वायर, ये सब करना पड़ेगा. और ये सब आपको अपने आप ही करना है because you don't have calculators in 11th standard. So it's better to do it by this formula. So when the values are too big, you can do it by this formula. However, what formula you use, that is your choice. So this is approximately 19.5 is the standard deviation. क्योंकि हमारे पास कैलसी नहीं है तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप ये वैल्यू निकाल सके. वैसे भी आप निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि 380 के आसपास का स्क्वायर तो 19 का ही है. We have a formula of finding out the under root using this method. If you remember 380, सबसे पास वाला square 19 का है. And like this we can find out. But even if you don't do this method, it is okay if you write down that standard deviation is under root 380 and variance is 380. Now let us go to the next part, that is finding out the standard deviation for ungrouped data. तो अगर ये है मेरा ungrouped data और ये है उसकी frequency. So what is the formula of finding out standard deviation for ungrouped data? It is summation f x minus bar x bracket square upon summation f, or it is summation fx square upon summation f minus bar x bracket square. Both the cases bar x is summation fx upon summation f. So what is summation fx? fx निकालेंगे हम लोग. We'll find out fx. That is, you will multiply f into x. This is 6, 24, 16, 10, 55. Add them. This 30, 40, 46, 56. 56 and 5 is 61. 61 plus 50 is 111. एक और तरीका है जल्दी कैलकुलेशन करने का. फर्स्ट ऐड द 10 प्लेस. 20, 30, 40. 40 and 50 is 90. Okay, this is 90. Then you will say 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 16, 21. Then add it. This is one way of doing it faster. हमको फास्ट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारे पास कैलकुलेटर्स नहीं है. Now summation f. This is 7, 9, 10, 15. So 111 divided by 15 is 7.4. So your mean is 7.4. So if I want to use this formula, I will first find out deviation of mean from the values. So x minus 7.4. So 2 minus 7.4 minus 5.4 minus 1.4, 0.6, 2.6, 3.6. I will square this. This is 5.4 square is 29.16. This is 1.96, 0.36, 26. 2.6 का square 6.76. 3.6 is 12.96. Now I don't want to add this. The formula says f into x minus bar x. So I will multiply this with f, a long procedure. So 3 into 29.16. It is 87.48. 4 into 1.96. It is 7.84. 0.36 into 2 is 0.72. 6.76 into 1 is 6.76. and 12.96 into 5 is 64.8. Now add them. So it is 87.48 plus 7.84 plus 0.72 plus 6.76 plus 64.8. Total is 167.6. Now I'll put it in this formula. Standard deviation is 167.6 divided by 15. It is under root 11.17. This is your variance. And 3.34 is standard deviation. This is how to find standard deviation using for ungrouped data. Can we do it in other way? Yes. If you find this confusing, we can do it in other way. I'll copy the same thing here. The data is 2, 6, 8, 10, 11. Three, 4, 2, 1, 5. I can use the other formula, that is summation fx square upon summation f minus bar x bracket square. Bar x is same, summation fx upon summation f, that is 7.4. But to find out this, I'll first have to find out x square. That is 4, 36, 64, 100, 121. Then I'll find out fx square. 3 into 4, 12. 36 into 4. 144. 64 into 2. 128. 100. 121 into 5. 605. I will add this. Now here you can add it like this. 100, 200, 300. 300 and 600 is 900. Then add the tens place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. That is 70. And then add the unit place. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. And this is 19. $989. ये उसमें थोड़ा सा आसान तरीका इसलिए, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है, कैलकुलेशन तो आपको करनी है. So it is 989 divided by 15 minus 7.4 bracket square. So it is 65.93 minus 7.4 bracket square is 54.76. Which is under root 11.17. Under root 11.17 is obviously 3.34. That's what we got previously. Whether you do it by this method or you do it by this method, it is same. But I think this method seemed to be more easy. थोड़ा fast हो गया है शायद. तो आप कोई भी method use करो, मेरा recommendation हमेशा ये method होता है. I always recommend to solve by this method. Calculation दोनों जगह पे है. This is how we will find out standard deviation for Ungrouped data. Now we'll do question number 3 from exercise 2.2. Compute variance and standard deviation for the following data. X is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. F is pi, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. F 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I can find out standard deviation using any one of the formula. आप उसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. I'll prefer using this formula क्योंकि इसका स्क्वायर निकालना आसान हो जाता है और मीन भी निकालना आसान हो जाता है. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम, आप कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हो, जैसे कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें. दोनों मेथड से आंसर सेम आएगा. So I will find out x square. It is 4, 16, 36, 64, 100. I'll multiply it by f. So if x square is 20, 64, it's 108, 128, 100. We'll add this 100, 200, 300. Then tens places I will add. So 2, 6, 8, 8, 10. Then this is 12. 12 and 8 is 20. So total is 330. ये मैं जानबूझ के आपको करके दिखा रही हूँ तो आपको समझ में आएगा. थोड़ा फास्ट करना है हम लोगों को और हाथ से करना है, कैलसी है नहीं तो कैसे करना है. This is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 and 3, 12. 13, 14, 15. And I have to also find out bar x, and bar x is summation fx upon summation f. So I will write down fx. F into x, this is 10, 16, 18, 16, 10. Oh, यहाँ पे भी same addition. 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 हो गया ये. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. तो ये हो गया 70. तो ये है 70 divided by 15. आपका मीन आता है 70.
मैम fx square 420 आ रहा है.
Corrected. Summation fx square 420 आ रहा है. So it's 100, 200, 300. So that was 300. This is 8. This is ये 10 नहीं था, ये 100 हो गया था. So this is 20, 20 plus 60, 80, and this is 100 again. And then this was 20. So it will become 420. Fx is 10 plus 16, 26. 26 plus 10, 36 plus 4, 8. 36 plus 8 is 44. 44 plus 6 is 50, 60, and this is 70. 70 by 15. It is 4.67. 666 आता है तो 67 ले लिया हम लोगों ने. Then we'll put the values here. It is 420 upon 15 minus 4.67 bracket square. $420 divided by 15 is 28. So this will become 28 minus 4.67 square is 21.8089. So 28 minus 21.8089 is under root 6.19. This is your standard deviation and variance is 6719. Sorry, 6.19. So you will write down at the end that standard deviation is under root 6.19 and variance, that is standard deviation square, is 6.19. हम लोगों को कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है कि हम अंडर रूट को भी एक्सपैंड करें, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल प्रैक्टिकली, कैल्सी नहीं होने की वजह से। तो हम लोग सिर्फ इतना भी लिख ले कि अंडर रूट 6.19 ये हमारा स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन है, इट इज ऑल्सो ओके। So question number 4 we'll do for homework. We'll do just now. Let's compute variance and standard deviation. It is ungrouped data. We can do it by any one of the formula. I will prefer doing it by this. It's not compulsory. You can do it by any formula. So I'll first find out bar x. Bar x is summation fx upon summation f. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले बार एक्स निकालेंगे। तो समेशन एफ एक्स निकालेंगे। एफ एक्स इज दिस इज 5, 30, 100, 70, 45. एड देम। ये 5 तो 10 हो गया, ये 100 हो गया, 100 हो गया, 10 हो गया। अभी 10 प्लेस ऐड करेंगे, 30 एंड 70 is 100 and 140 है 250 टोटल। You have to get a knack of calculating fast, क्योंकि हमको 12 तक तो बिल्कुल ही कैल्सी अलाउड नहीं है। It is 5 plus 30, 35 plus 100 plus 70 plus 45, it is 250. This is 5, 15, 15 and 20 is 35, 35 and 10, 45, and this is 50. So bar x will be 250 divided by 50, that is 5. Now I'll find out summation fx square. First find out x square. X square is 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. Then find out fx square. 5 ones are 5, 10, 9, 90, 20 into 20. This will become 500. This is 490. Yes.
Final answer is 4.8.
Standard deviation?
Root 4.8.
Okay. Let us see. That's good. You got it. This is 5 plus 90 is 95 plus 500 is 595 plus 490 is 1085 plus 405 is 1490. Now I'll use this formula and put the values. It is 1490 divided by 50 minus 5 square. So it is 29.8 minus 25. Yes, it is under root 4.8. So standard deviation is under root 4.8 and variance is 4.8. Done. हमेशा ही 11th और 12th के लिए बात फॉलो करनी कि क्वेश्चन पूरा सॉल्व होने के बाद फाइनल आंसर नीचे लिख देना है आपको. This is what you are always going to follow. Question number 5 is again an ungrouped data. So let us try to solve this. And the data is a bit bigger than what we have done previously. It's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And F is 10, 20, 40. 10, 20, 40, 20, 10. Total is 100, they have said. And we have to calculate variance and standard deviation. Again, you can use any one formula. So अब 2 बार हम लोगों ने ये वाला formula use किया था. Summation fx square upon summation f minus bar x bracket square. So this time let us use this formula. Summation f x minus bar x bracket square upon summation f. So fx निकालेंगे हम लोग. This is 100, 220, 480. So fx क्यों निकाल रहे हैं? क्योंकि मीन है summation fx upon summation f. This is 260 and 140. Addition वापस में 100, 200, 300, 700, 900, 1000. Then here it is 20, 80, 100, 160 and 200. 1200 is the total.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll find out the mean. 1200 divided by 100, it is 12. 12 is your mean. X minus bar x, matlab kya? X minus 12. So 10 minus 12, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. अभी इसको स्क्वायर करेंगे हम लोग. 4, 1, 1, 0, 1, 4. Multiplied by f. 10 into 4, 40. 20 into 1, 20. 0, again 20, again 40. That is 120. 7, 60, 60, 120. So I'll put it here. It is under root 120 upon 100. That is under root 1.2. This is your standard deviation. And variance is 1.2. क्या हम लोग इसे दूसरे भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं? ये मेथड से हाँ कर सकते हैं. In fact, let us do it and see if the answer is same. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and frequency is 20, 10, 40. नहीं sorry, 10, 20 है शायद. 10, 20, 40, 20, 10. So I can find out x square. It's 100, 121, 144, 169, 196. Fx square, 1000. It is 5760. 169 into 2 is 3380. And this is 1960. And now let us add this. तो पहले आप thousands को ऐड करोगे, फिर 100, फिर tens per unit, या फिर आप डायरेक्टली ऐड करो जैसे हम लोग रेगुलर करते हैं. 3380 plus 1960. You can't use calculators. 14,520. Mean तो हम लोगों ने पहले ही निकाल लिया है. Mean was already there, 12. So let us use it in the formula. It is summation f x square upon summation f minus bar x bracket square. So it is 14,520 upon 100 minus 12 square. It is 145.20 minus 144. And it is under root 1.2. It's same. ये मेथड आपको हमेशा लगता होगा कि इससे थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाता है, दैट इज वेरी ट्रू। इफ यू नो मल्टीप्लिकेशंस वेरी वेल, उससे एक्चुअली बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है।